Here we will use the concept of Newton's divided difference formula to solving some problems, for some problem solving. So the first example is use Newton's divided difference formula to find F8 and F15 where the values of x and corresponding fx are given. Here total 6 arguments and 6 corresponding entries are given. Clearly you can check that these arguments are not equally spaced. And this is our x0, the first argument is our x0, so x0 is equals to 4, then x1 equals 5, x2 is 7, this is x3, x4 and x5. Correspondingly these are y0, y1 and so on. Okay, so at first what we have to do, we have to find out the divided difference table. So for that reason we are using the middle of the page, at first creating 2 columns, x and then y, and writing down all the arguments and the entries. So this is 4, 5, 7, 10, 11, 13. The next corresponding entries are 48, 100, 294, 900, 1210, then 2028. At first we are creating the left side. Left side is for x, that is for the arguments. Now from the left side we will get the denominator of each of the divided difference. So first for the what was the denominator in any first order or second order divided difference rule? That was x0 minus x1 or x0 minus x2, like this type of term. So this is our x0, this is x1. So at first finding their difference. Here the x1 is greater than, so we are considering x1 minus x0 so that it will become positive. We can choose x1 minus x0 or x0 minus x1 because we have already checked that the divided difference is symmetric with respect to the position of their arguments. So we are finding their differences and putting it in the middle. So 5 minus 4, 1. Then 7 minus 5, 2. 10 minus 7, 3. 11 minus 10, 1. 13 minus 11, 2. Okay. Now forget about this line. Next choose first one. We have already chosen the second one. So the third one, that is 4 and 7. Its distance is 3, right in the middle. That is 3. Next, the next one 5 and the 10. 5 and 10, that is here we are skipping one term. So 5 and 10, its distance is 5, writing it here. Then 7 and 11, 4. Then 7, sorry not 7, then 10 and 13, 3, writing it in the middle. Okay. Next, forget about this 2 line. Here we will take the first one, we have already chosen second and third. So we have to check the fourth one, that is first and fourth, then second and fifth, like this way, skipping 2 in the middle. So 2 arguments in the middle. So 4 and 10, the distance is 4. So writing it here, sorry, the distance is 6, writing it here. Next 5 and 11, the distance is again 6. Then 7 and 13, the distance is again 6, so writing it here. Okay. Now for the next column, what will you do? 4 and 11. So 4 and 11, and the next one will be 5 and 13. These 2 only will be possible. So 4 and 11, that means the distance is 7. Then 5 and 13. 5 and 13, the distance is 8. Writing it here. Next 4 and the only left possible is 13. So 4 and 13, its distance is 9. So writing it here. Okay. This becomes the left hand part, that is the denominator for each of the divided difference rule. Now we have to find out the numerator. In the numerator, that was fx0 minus fx1 or f of x0 comma x1 minus f of x1 comma x2, like this type of terms. That means they are using the entries. So for the denominator part, what we are doing, this is our fx0, this is fx1. So what was the first order divided difference rule? That was fx1 minus fx0 by x1 minus x0. Now we have already calculated the denominator part. So the numerator part will calculate from this line and then divide it by the denominator part. So 100 minus 48 divided by 1. It will become 52 divided by 1, that is 52. Next, 294 minus 100 divided by 2, that is their distance. We are dividing this fx2 minus fx1 by x2 minus x1, that is dividing by the distance or by the difference of their corresponding arguments. So 294 minus 100, that is 194 divided by 2, which becomes 97. Next is 900 minus 294 divided by 3. It will become 606, that is 202. Then 1210 minus 900 divided by 1, that is it will become 310. Next 2028 minus 1210 divided by 2, means it will become 409. Okay. Next we have to find out this one. Now forget about this line. These differences we have already used. So forget about this. We will consider the next difference line. So 97 minus 52 divided by 3. It will become 45 by 3, that is 15. Next 202 minus 97 divided by 5. So 202 minus 97, it becomes 105 divided by 5, that is 21. Then 310 minus 202 divided by 4. So it will become 27. Then 409 minus 310 divided by 3. 409 minus 310 divided by 3. 99 by 3, that is 33. Okay.